Okay, this video is a little bit about the settings tab up here. If you go into settings up here and company information, I'm assuming that it will show all the same information that I have here on my screen because of the data file. But I don't know. Anyway, this is where you would come in here and change stuff. Like you want to change the address, you want to change the phone number. If you want to take the email address or the website off. Here, it says here, set your weekend mowing preferences. I have put that you don't mow on Saturdays and Sundays. When it's scheduling it for the 10 days, it seemed to disregard that and put them on Saturday or Sunday anyway. But you can change this to be whatever you want to be. It doesn't seem to pay any attention to it. If for some reason you had to start charging tax, you could put it in here. If you have a company logo created, you can select your logo and it would select it from a file that was residing on your computer. Anyway, you can change all the information and then hit save. When you hit save, it looks like it doesn't do anything, but it actually does. So you can hit close. It goes back to the main menu. Anyway, that was all about the company. Under program settings, this is this is all about how like your invoices, print, etc. And if you had a logo, it would put it wherever you wanted it, right, left, center, how high, whatever. This is how you can change the font sizes anywhere on the invoices, reports, estimates, whatever. Change the margins, font color. Right now I have the company information in a different font. You can change where the title of the company information, the subtitle, where they appear. You can preview it to see what it looks like. These are the numbers actually, see, estimate was started at 1,000. So you have like 31 accounts, because the next one it's going to create will be starting at 1,000. It was started at 1,000. So next time it would create an account, you'd add it, be 32. Anyway, invoices, contracts. I added in a contract, and then I didn't like the way it did it. You can change the way the date displays, however you want it to be. So if you like it to be like that, or like that. Now I'm confused. We go 9, 10, 9, 18. Right. Okay. Okay. In here, I just put the default state as Florida because that's where we are. You can change it to print on the receipts, whatever you want it to be. And I've been messing around with this, trying to put the DUNS number on there, and sometimes I select the one that I've created with the DUNS number and it doesn't print it on the receipts, invoices or not. So I would check when you're creating, if all the information you got from this is still in there. I would check when you're creating the Kmart, the other, well, I'll go double check it, but I was trying to get it to give me the option to use the DUNS number or not use the DUNS number. But it wasn't being very cooperative when I was trying to do that. I have it so it prints a payment slip on the bottom of the invoice so they can cut it off and keep the invoice and send us the payment slip. Some people do that. So those are all the settings there. Email settings. If you want to email the invoice, you can use this. It'll just email it, but you can change this information if you want. We didn't do that. We did that one time. I emailed you something. Okay. At the bottom of every invoice, there's a message, and you can change the message before you print the invoices, and it will change here. You can say print invoices, print estimates. You can use fields like this if you want to use one of these fields in there so it changes, like dear so and so. You could use that, and you would just type in here, you would type it just the way it looks. So you'd use the bracket thing, and then it will put in their name, not that bracket, the other one. It'll put in their name when it prints. So it'd be first name. You could say dear Mrs. You could say dear and their full name, but you need to do it the way it's capitalized and everything, like that. And then it'll do this, but don't worry about that. And it would normally, so if the person was Don, it would say, Don, please note the name of our change of our mailing address or whatever. But so up to you. I have it centered. You can do it, and I have it bolded. And you can change obviously the color is not, because I don't have a color printer, but anyway, you can just mess with this if you want. I am not saving that. Yes, I do not. Do you want to save any changes made? No. Okay. What else was there? QuickBooks setting, not using QuickBooks, so I don't know anything about that page, but you know, if you are, then that's where you can go. You can change spell checking thing. I've got all these selected, but that's however you want to do it. If you go into the help, you can, like if you're in, let me go to back to the main menu. If you're in here and you select help, you can get help on the screen, and sometimes it will come up with something like that. And you can go over here and it's not actually the screen, but it will actually, well, it will take you to the screen. It will, and then you can go over here on the other side here where you probably can't see because I'm not having it move, and it will show you the help and everything. And then you just X out of it. But and there's some. It said watch videos, and it brings up some videos. But anyway, you can look at that. But anyway, I tried to just do some of the videos of how I used it, because sometimes I didn't think it was that. And I don't know. Anyway, up to you. So anyway, that's all about the settings, and this is the end of this video.